So yesterday we had about 350 kilometres of really rough roads to do at a reasonably high average. We did them all, we loved it, it was really good. So today's just been a day of solid spanner checks, seeing what we banged loose.
The roads are unbelievable. You know, you read about these tracks in Mongolia, but to experience them yourself, it's surprising, you know, just how fast they can be, but how slow and dangerous they can also be. And it can go from one to another without a moment's notice.
I love the mix of fast gravel as well as, you know, the really technical stuff. You know, watching out for those rocks was really exciting. Gullies, dips, you know, bumps, all that kind of stuff. We got airborne a couple of times, cracked the windshield, but that was about the worst that happened.
Yesterday we lost the wheel and damaged the brake disc, so today we tried to fix it.
What's happened to the car?
Alternator, electricity. At the moment, it's a bit of a pain, but we'll sort it out, hopefully.
Yesterday was tough. I think pretty much everyone found it tough. We found it especially so because we were just carrying too much weight. So we've been on a weight-saving exercise. It weighs about 30 kilograms. So the back end of the car was just bouncing up and down so much. In fact, it's done quite a lot of damage to the bumper stops. And as a result, we were just constantly chirping the tyres on the inside of the wheel arches.
Mario, we normally have an army of mechanics to do this sort of thing, don't you?
That's true, yes.
Yes. What's happened?
Well, my daughter is not the best mechanic, so I have to do it myself.
We added a Chinese air horn so that we could, you know, beat the animals and the big trucks, because the car was going, and now it goes, so we're feeling pretty good.
The car performed beautifully. It was made for the bumpy stuff off-road. Our best day yet, really. It was a lot of fun. But it beat the heck out of it, so we got a lot of maintenance to do today. With breathing dust all day, so we got to clean it all out.
But lots of dust. So we had lots and lots of dust, and we were just absolutely filthy by the end of it. And the inside of our car, that's one of the things we've been doing today, is just cleaning it out and trying to dust proof it a little bit.
Yesterday was just a superb day for rallying. Non-stop, start to finish, no time for eating, changing punctures, going, you know, even going to the toilet turned into a competition. Still hard to imagine getting to Paris. You know, it's a month till we get to Paris. How does that happen? But yeah, we're having a great time, one day at a time.